National Cargo 4801, taxi Papa 1, hold short of runway 23 right.
Okay, Papa 1, hold short, 23 right, National Cargo 4801.
National Cargo 4801, contact tower 118.630.
Hey, 118, 630, National Cargo 4801. Tower, good afternoon, National Cargo 4801 at Papa, hold short, Papa 1, runway 23 right.
National Cargo 4801, Manchester Tower via Papa 1, cross runway 23 right, taxi Honey Point Tango 1.
Okay, by Papa 1, cross 23 right and holding point Tango 1, National Cargo 4801.
National Cargo 4801, hold Tango 1, contact tower 119.405.
Okay, Tower 119.405, National Cargo 4801. Tower, good afternoon, National Cargo 4801, holding Tango 123 left.
National Cargo 4801, Manchester Tower, good evening, report ready.
We are fully ready, National Cargo 4801.
National Cargo 4801 via Tango 1, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, surface wind calm.
By Tango 1, clear for takeoff 23 left, National Cargo 4801.
National Cargo 4801, you can now contact Scottish Control 135.715. Good evening.
Good day, sir. Thank you. National Cargo 4801 Heavy.